Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's second part of Bitcoin update. And I just have announced on my Discord, and if you're not in the Discord, then guys, actually join the Discord because you might get a little bit of a quick update than the videos. You might get a live update about Bitcoin. So I actually talk about this one, bear flag spotted, and the people on my signals as well. We have actually closed all our trades at the moment. So so we've seen Bitcoin actually dropping down. Today I talked about this rising wedge, and I do remember telling you that it's going to actually rise a little bit. So you can already see it rised a little bit, and then it's going to drop down, and the technical target we're talking about now is 19,000, and it's officially in play unless you don't come up and break the highest part of the wedge, which is going to be nearly $25,000. At the moment, the next price target that you're looking for out of the bear flag on that 15 minutes time frame is going to be down here at $32,200. And that's pretty much it for this quick update because it's a critical update. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.